In this video, I'll show you how to resize product collection image on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order that, head over to products right here. And then in here, you should be able to see the collection. So click on that. And then in here, as you can see, this is my collection. So this is my homepage collection. So just head over and click on that. And as you can see, I have in here an image. So when I click on image right here, it will only show me and allow me to edit the alt text. Now this is what is not worth doing. So whenever you click edit, it will allow you to remove, edit alt text, or change image. Now, there is no settings in order to actually edit that or resize the product image. So what you can do is you can head over to your computer and then locate the actual file that we have for that. So here's my file for that. So what you can do is you can just right click on it. And then after that, it will show you these options. So what you can do is you can head over and edit it with Paint. So click on edit right here. And then as you can see right here, it will edit right here. It will open the Paint in order to edit that. Now on the Paint, you can see this resize option. So click on this resize. Now you can change in here the percentage or pixels that you have for this one. So for example, let's change it into the 1300 pixels for the horizontal, and it will also maintain the aspect ratio for that. So head over and click on OK, and as you can see, it will be resized. Now let's save this progress, then let's close it. Now in here, it will be saved as a HIC or a PNG whenever you want. So for example, let's name it Resize. Click on save, and then let's see that as you can see, transparency really lost. So click on OK, and then close this. Once you have done that, click on this edit, click on change image, and then locate the picture that we have just resized. Click on open, and then this will load like this, and it will resize the actual image. Now save this progress, and you're good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.